Good day to everyone. Our topic for today is the product of two binomial. So multiplying two binomial using FOIL method. So ano ito ibig sabihin ng F? The first term. O is outer term, I inner term, L is last term. So we'll use this method. So first thing to do is to multiply our F, the first term, this one. See. So our first term is this one, no? We have 4x times 3x. So 4x times 3x. So 4x times 3x, that is 12x squared. Okay. And the next is the outer term. You have 4x times 3. So we have 4x times 3. So that is equals to 4 times 3, that is 12. 12x. The next is the other term, this one. 2 times 3x. So 2 times 3x, that is 2 times 3x is equals to 2 times 3, that is 6. And then we have x. Then the last one is the last term. So we have 2 times 3. So 2 times 3. So 2 times 3, 2 times 3, that is equals to 6. Okay, add this one, the similar term, this one. So that is equals to 18x. So our final answer is 12x squared, and then this one plus 18x plus positive 6. So this is our product of this binomial. Okay. So our first term, multiply the first term, this one. First term, we have 4a times 3a. So 4a times 3a. So 4 times 3 is 12. A times a, that is a squared. Then second, our outer term, we have 4a times negative 2. 4a times negative 2. So 4 times negative 2, that is negative 8. So we have a. So negative 8a. So next is the inner term, this one. Negative 1, and then times negative 3. So we have negative 1 times positive 3a. So we have negative 1 times positive 3, that is negative 3. Then we have our a. And then the last term is 1 times negative 1 times negative 2. So negative 1 times negative 2. So negative times negative, that is positive. No? So positive 2. So this one, they are similar term. Add this, we have 11. So copy their common sign and common variable. So the sum is negative 11a. So therefore, the final answer is 12a squared plus the middle term, or minus 11a positive, so plus 2. So that is our final answer. So our third example, multiply the first term. This one is our first term. Okay, 2a times 7a, that is equals to 14a squared. No? 2 times 2 is 14. A times a, that is a squared. Then our outer term, we have 2a times 3. No? That is positive 6a. Okay? So 2 times 3, that is 6. So we have our A. Okay. Next is the inner term. Ito ang inner term natin. This one. So inner term, negative 8 times 7A, that is negative 56, no? 56A. 8 times 7 is 56. Negative times positive is negative. And then the last term, or L, this one, negative 8 times positive 3, that is negative 24. Negative 24. Okay? So ito yung F natin. Yan. F. So this one, 2A and 7A. Tapos ito yung outer term natin. Outer term. Ito. Then, this one is our inner. No? Our inner term. And then, this one is the last term. Okay. Okay. So, combine last. Combine. Rewrite 14A squared. Then, add this one. No, magkaiba yung sign nila. You are going to subtract. That is negative 50. No? 50A. No, and then, minus 24. So, this is our final answer.